Today, let's talk about awareness. Wayne Gretzky said that you miss 100% of the shots that you never take. When it comes to nature and wildlife photography, you miss 100% of the shots that you never see. One of my favorite places that I love to go photograph is Indian Creek Nature Center. It's close by my home and I can get out there relatively quickly when the lighting conditions are just right. But one of the problems with filming at a location that I've photographed over and over and over is that I know the area so well that I know where I can find certain subjects. So if I want to film cardinal flowers, I know exactly where at the nature center those cardinal flowers are blooming, and I can make a beeline right for those cardinal flowers. But the problem is that I'm not aware of anything else that's around me. I'm so focused on trying to get to those cardinal flowers that I could be walking past something amazing and not even see it because I'm thinking about the destination and not the journey. So one of the things I want to share with you is to always be aware of your surroundings. Don't just go so focused on a subject that you don't see the forest for the trees. You could be walking past something much more amazing than what you initially set out to photograph. So whenever you go out in the field, always be looking around for something that is photographable, because you may go photograph those cardinal flowers, but maybe they haven't bloomed yet, or maybe a deer trampled them and I've missed all this stuff because I was so focused on trying to get to these cardinal flowers or whatever the subject was. And I could have missed out on something that was even better than the cardinal flowers to begin with. So when you're out in the field, be aware. If you like this video and want to see more like it, click the subscribe button below and become part of the Photography Naturally tribe.